Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to blur your photo with just your Android phone with an amazing result. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about photo editing with Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to blur your photo in Android with an amazing result. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is to head over to our Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to go to my Play Store. Then on getting to your Play Store, come to the search app right here and type in photo. Then click on search. So this is the app we are going to use right here. So I'm going to click on that just to open the app. Now, if you have not yet downloaded and installed the app, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you download and install it. It's a free app that allow you to do different freestyle with your picture or your photo. After you have successfully downloaded the app and installed it on your phone, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. Alright, so having launched the app, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here to import your picture from your phone gallery. Then from my phone gallery right here, I'll have to make sure I go to my camera and I'm going to use this picture right here. I'll select on that. Then having opened the picture, next thing I need to do is to swipe from the tools right here and look for music right here. So I'm going to make sure I click on here. But before that, I need to increase the picture so that it will be much convenient for me to blur the face. So next thing we want to do here is to simply click on music. Then we can control the brush size. Okay, what we want to do now is to simply increase this picture right here. Then we can start to blur the area we want to blur, just like so. So just like so. So you can also turn down the brush size. You can turn down the density from here. So everything depends on how you want your results to look like. So I'm trying to turn down the brush, the density from 25% to something like, I think 5% is much better. Then I will continue to blur some parts like so. Then once you're satisfied with the results, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this check mark right here. Boom. So it's going to be effect into your picture. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on save right here. Done, successful. Next thing we can do here is to head over to our phone gallery and check out the results. So here we have the image from my phone gallery. So I'm going to click on it. Boom. So take a look at the result right here. So the face has completely blurred. You can use this also to blur any part of the photo as far as blur photo or picture is concerned using just your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about photo editing with your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.